Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to share this with you guys. I got an amazing deal, like incredible, on these Valentino wedges, and I want to share it with you all today. So ready? I have the box here, got them from Nordstroms. Check this box out. Valentino, Garavani at the bottom. Again, the logo with the V with the oval on it. I'm gonna take off the rubber band and let's go. All right, so right away, I got three little envelopes. One of them I already know has replacement rock studs. So two. For these particular sandals, the rock studs are gold colored. The next one tells you in many different languages that it is leather, and you know, any imperfection is just a characteristics of the design and the shoe. And then the third envelope, and okay, I'd never seen this before, but this one says it has some type of technology to see if the shoe's authentic or not. All right, I don't know. Technology these days, huh? This product uses passive RFID and NFC technology to identify the product, guarantee its authenticity, prevent counterfeiting, and enable specific customer service. Valentino does not use this technology to gather any customer or personal data. All right, that's the third one. When I first bought my sandals, my PVC sandals, I don't remember getting this, so this must be something new. Okay, so let's go. Opening this up. Little ASMR crinkle action. All right, so right away they come individually in a dust bag. So let's go ahead and do the first one. Dust bag comes with this right here, has the logo on it. Let me show you guys. This is the sandal. What do you guys think? A beautiful beige mauve color, gold rope type of smooth fabric. It is very smooth to the touch. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 rock studs. Not one missing. That's just the design of the shoe. Beautiful. Again, I'll go ahead and put in the height and dimensions. One of the reasons why these were really interesting to me and I decided to go ahead and purchase them was because I don't have wedges. Wedges are a great alternative to elevating a look because you add some height with the heel. Not as casual as a sandal, not as formal as like a pointy heel. So this adds nice amount of height and comfort because of the fact that your foot doesn't have so much pressure on the bottom of it, because the wedge kind of helps with that. So there's height in the front and height in the back. So this is the bottom of the shoe. I got it in a size 39. It's a smooth, flat surface. It does kind of feel rubbery, although it's a smoother kind of rubber, so I hope it has good grip. I mentioned before that I am usually a half a size smaller in heels because I don't know the way my foot sits. So I took a kind of a gamble on these 39s just to see if they fit or not, versus like a 38.5. So I am gonna go ahead and try them on. So I'll definitely be giving you guys a full opinion as far as how they wear and how they fit, and show y'all these beautiful wedges. Really nicely made, really beautiful details. I think the color the camera is picking up is pretty much true to shade. It's subtle, but if you know these little studs, you know they're Valentino. That's it, friends, just a quick little unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this. So then don't forget to subscribe and give me a like, and we'll see y'all later. Bye.